Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Magento with Authorize.net detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Magento with Authorize.net, start by logging into your Magento admin panel. Navigate to the Stores section in the left-hand menu. Click on Configuration under the Settings submenu. In the Configuration page, select Sales from the list of options. Expand the Payment Methods section to find various payment options. Locate the Authorize.net section within Payment Methods. Enable the Authorize.net payment method by setting it to Yes. Input your API login ID in the designated field. Next, enter your transaction key in the corresponding field. Optionally, configure the gateway URL for production or testing environments. Choose the appropriate mode by selecting either Test or Live. Set the Accept Credit Cards option to Yes if you want to accept. Adjust additional settings like the order status for successful payments. You can also enable or disable various payment options such as e-check or advanced integration. Once you have filled in all required fields, click the Save Config button at the top right. Clear the Magento cache by navigating to System and then Cache Management. In the Cache Management page, select all caches and click Flush Magento Cache. To test the integration, navigate to the front end of your store. Add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select Authorize.net as your payment method. Enter the necessary payment details and complete the order. Verify that the order is processed successfully in your Magento admin. If any issues arise, check the logs under System and then Tools. Review any error messages and make necessary adjustments to your settings. Once connected, monitor the transaction status regularly through your Authorize.net account for any discrepancies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.